Welcome to this video on principles of AI-enhanced personalization. After watching this video, you'll be able to describe personalized learning and its key capabilities. You'll also be able to explain how implementing generative AI enhances personalized learning and explore strategies for implementing generative AI in personalized learning. Providing valuable learning fulfills learners' unique learning requirements. However, traditional education models struggle to adapt or scale an individual's learning styles, paces, and preferences. Therefore, educators are implementing generative AI-enhanced personalized learning to transform learning methodologies by enabling adaptive learning paths, customized content, and real-time progress monitoring. It encourages independent thinking in the learners, fosters a deep conceptual understanding, and allows them to take ownership of their learning journey to reach their full potential. Customized learning paths help learners address their interests, strengths, and weaknesses. It provides adaptive learning material that matches the learning preferences and allows flexibility, skill-based progression, and ease of resolving challenges. Generative AI-enhanced personalized learning encourages diverse learning needs, including various learning styles, backgrounds, and support requirements. Each learner has different learning patterns. Some learners are visual learners and prefer to leverage visual presentations, such as diagrams, charts, or videos, for their learning. However, some learners are auditory and like to listen to lectures, discussions, or audio content. Certain learners prefer reading or writing learning materials to gain knowledge, while others prefer kinesthetic learning, including hands-on activities and experiments. Learners' factors, such as advanced knowledge, experience, and cultural backgrounds, can influence their learning patterns, theories, and values. Different degrees of language and technical proficiency can also influence learners' understanding of the concepts and engagement with digital tools and learning resources. Learners' motivation depends on their interests, goals, and circumstances. Learners also require supporting materials, including various learning patterns, alternate approaches, examples, and practice exercises for new concepts. This helps them to grasp abstract concepts, reinforce them in real-world situations, and adapt to different explanation styles and preferences. Generative AI can enhance personalized learning by analyzing learners' learning patterns, such as their potential, challenges, limitations, and preferences, to provide insights to develop personalized learning strategies. It can create, design, and customize learning materials, such as readings, exercises, projects, and assessments, by identifying individual skills, requirements, and preferences. Generative AI can also provide opportunities to practice and reinforce learning in real-life situations. It can offer self-paced learning opportunities, various instructional methods to adopt different learning patterns, and supporting materials in text, audio, and video formats. Additionally, it can also monitor and track progress to offer real-time feedback to the learners and the educators. Certain strategies can help educators initiate AI-powered personalized learning for their learners. Educators can begin AI-powered personalized learning with a small group of learners, focus on a single subject area, target specific learning skills, and limit initial content types. Gradually, they can expand their content library, add various features, and increase the complexity of the content to provide excellent learner experiences. Educators can leverage the full potential of AI-enhanced personalized learning by defining clear learning goals that align with the learner's needs and expectations. They should regularly track and monitor learners' progress and adjust their learning path to support them. Educators can consider learners' feedback on the AI-driven personalized learning tools and choose appropriate AI technologies and tools to enhance learning performance. In this video, you've learned about the capabilities of AI-driven personalized learning and its principles. Generative AI-enhanced personalized learning transforms learners' learning experience, allows them to adapt to various learning paths, and encourages deep understanding of the concepts. It provides customized learning paths and learning materials based on learners' interests, preferences, and goals. It supports learners' various learning styles and individual factors. Generative AI-driven learning helps educators analyze learners' learning patterns, create and customize learning materials, and create challenging tasks based on learners' abilities. Educators can implement generative AI-enhanced personalized learning, starting with a small group of learners and focusing on specific skills, followed by including complex content and new features and technologies in their learning systems.